Your walls are wasting prime real estate. Floating shelves give you instant storage without eating floor space. Here's how to install them right the first time. Step 1. Find the studs behind your drywall using a stud finder. Scan horizontally, about 16 inches apart. That's where your wall's skeleton lives. Mark each stud location with a pencil. Step 2. Hold your floating shelf bracket against the wall at your desired height. Use a level to ensure it's perfectly horizontal. Even 1 degree off ruins the look. Mark the screw holes with a pencil. Step 3. Drill pilot holes at your marks using a bit slightly smaller than your screws. This prevents the drywall from cracking and gives screws something to grip. Drill straight in, don't angle. Step 4. Insert wall anchors into the pilot holes, then screw the bracket firmly into place. Slide your shelf onto the bracket and secure it from underneath with the provided set screws. Test the weight limit before loading. Pro tip: never skip the studs for heavy loads. Drywall anchors alone won't hold books or decor long term. Always screw into solid wood behind the wall. What's the heaviest thing you're storing? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more home projects. Visit Sikho.ai.